So I'm not using Petri dishes. These are just little, like little Tupperware, like plastic, like they're super cheap. You can see it, and they work fine. The key is, I think, just not have too thick a plastic. Petri dishes would have worked. I like to, like, especially from an elementary perspective, it's a lot nicer to do science with stuff that isn't like specialized equipment. You know, essentially you need speakers, iPads, and little plastic dishes, and then salt and isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, which is all stuff you can get at the grocery store.
Hey, Cruz, could you remind us how old your kids are again?
2 first graders and a 4th grader.
Okay, thank you.
Because this is a first grade standard, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So they kind of getting a feel for like maybe like what first graders versus like an advanced first grader.
Okay, cool.
Right.
Thank you. We got you.
Oh, shoot.
All right. Once your paper's ready, I'll hand out the stuff for the liquids. No. Once your paper's ready. Because remember, you're going to test the liquids, but I want you to test your high pitch, low pitch, or soft versus loud again.
Okay, guys, we're about to get kicked off. I'll see you in a second. Okay.
Yep, I'll just end it.
This gives us a little extra time to like weigh kind of stuff.
No, you just keep going.
Hey, Cruz, can I ask you something real quick?
Yep.
I really like how with Maple, you went into like, why do you think it's important to use the same note when testing soft versus high, almost getting into that control variable? Should we make that explicit at all, you think? No?
Like, just given the struggle, I don't think it's probably, I mean, it's something that you certainly could address, but I think a lot of first graders would really struggle with that.
Okay.
I mean, you could maybe say, like, when you're testing loud versus soft, make sure you use the same note, and then maybe ask, why do you think it's important to use the same note? Just to kind of see what the kids say. But I wouldn't get into the idea of control, you know, just because that's just a little bit too advanced, I think, for first grade.
Okay, thanks.
Then how come we're first graders?
All right, Cash, what are you testing?
Low, high, and
Lincoln, you're doing low, high?
medium. I'm
Here you go, buddy.
doing low, high, medium. Loud.
Finish.
I'm just gonna do loud and soft again.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So I noticed, Lincoln, before you start going, and Cash, maybe we'll pause for a second. I noticed that all 3 of you are doing the same thing that you did before. Why is that probably what most scientists would do? They kind of use what they know to test their next idea. Hold on a second. Lincoln, sorry. I don't know what happened.
Little technical difficulty.
Yep. All right. Okay, let me ask that question to you guys. So I noticed a lot of you are using, or all 3 of you are doing almost the same investigation you did before with salt, except just this time with the liquid. Why do you think scientists oftentimes do kind of build like that? They use what they've already done before in just kind of a new way. Lincoln?
They know what they've done, and then so they try doing it with a different material.
Okay, Mabel?
They can pay.
Oh, okay. All right, go to it, guys.
How do you spell medium?
M-E-D-D-E-M. So I-U-M. And you can go ahead and get started. Mabel, you can go ahead and get started. What do you have? Oh,
Nothing so far.
okay.
Nothing.
You might have to almost fill the bottom a little bit. There are a couple of drops I'm not sure is going to do it.
Daddy.
Hmm.
Do you
Try
want
that, babe. See what happens.
what the liquid just in case?
We
like,
do, yep. Try that, see what happens. Let me see what you got. Try that, see what happens.
Nothing.
Okay, now hold on a second.
Water gun.
Yeah, you probably have to put more in.
I would like water gun, Dad,
Mhm.
but I
Is
know.
this fingernail polish? Cause it
No,
smells-
it's called rubbing alcohol.
No wonder it smells like a doctor's
It
office
does kind of smell like a dog's office.
after you get a flu shot.
Hey, Cash, take it off the speaker while you're putting it on. Mabel, take it off the speaker while you're putting it in.
That?
Yours is probably fine because your speaker's so small. Let's see what you got.
Could I maybe try unscrewing this and pouring some in?
No, just you don't need very much. All right, Casey, let's try it.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, we might need some more. You know what? You can unscrew it. You can unscrew it, guys, and just dump the whole thing in. We'll see. All right, now hold on. Casey, watch the liquid.
It's kind of low.
What are you noticing, Casey?
It's vibrating, kind of stopping in the middle.
Yeah.
Like it's
Whoa.
like sound
What's
waves.
happening there?
Like sound waves going the wrong way. See, that's like
You
sound.
probably have to screw it up. Okay, stop for a second. Stop. Let me see.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's way too long. Okay, watch it. Watch the liquid. Watch the liquid. What are you noticing? What'd you notice?
Like making it like out of a single.
Yeah.
It's like if something was dropped. Now I'm gonna be super high.
Let me see if I can fix this thing. Yep, you gotta wait. So if you're not watching this, that means you're not making your observations. Okay? So you're gonna pick up some stuff. Go ahead. Ooh, do it again. I'll kind of hold it in place. Can you see that?
Kind of like gives a little light.
Draw that. What are you noticing, Lee?
Nothing.
No, the high pitch was really good.
No way.
Whoa.
It's really cool.
Oh, yeah. That's alright, buddy.
I think it might went so far, so
Okay,
loud.
so here's the deal. You need to make sure that this is far away from it. And when you're you don't really need to look at this. You need to be looking at this. Because that's where the observations are. Okay, buddy?